video. She's back now, guys. She is back. She haven't driven her car for a week straight. You guys see what I've been doing in this car. Where is this car wash? We are looking for the car wash. Car wash. Okay, another car wash video. I don't have to say this. Is such a weird we just slide up. How the hell you go, Randall? Another car wash video. He's telling you to pull up. Yeah, she doesn't care. That will be.
Do we want them? I don't want them to do the interior. We want them to do that interior?
No interior.
Just the exterior wash. What do you say? Yeah.
Okay. You guys, you want to do the inside? We'd be like, no, Papi. Papi was running out. You close the top. You close the top. This one. Good. The top is closed. You know she like the top off. Okay, I got this thing right here, guys. That's it. I need this.
Press brake and push button to shift. Might not be that. My car is telling me that it doesn't like being in neutral. This is cool. Extra scrubber. Are you ready? Ready.
She's back, guys.
Why am I not going, people?
Another car wash video.
Why aren't you moving? I'm getting nervous.
I can see.
Keep scrubbing it.
Keep scrubbing. That's all it's dirty. One day I'm gonna get up
On the cops on me.
and record it. Amigo.
Finally.
Where's the machine again, guys?
We have to get out. Hey.
Get out right now.
Yeah.
Get out. Get out. fucking going on around here, people. Give me that. Let me go. It's crazy out here, guys. This one is not cool. Did not get out. I could get out. Get out. Hold on, guys. Check this out, guys. I see? Okay, all right. We actually in the wash. Right here, guys. We are in the wash. This is what we're doing, guys. We are in the wash. This is where we in. We're in it. We can actually see everything. Subscribe, like, and share. Look at that. This is where this came from, man. Like, this stuff is cool. Great. Good job. I was done. Not bad. I got people all outside. Hey. Maybe I'll buy some of these. How much are these? Step right here.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, thank you. How will you know I paid? Do I need a receipt?
If you want a receipt, you can get one.
Yeah, let me get one, please. Just in case. Thank you. Oh, they got tobacco over there. That's funny. It's crazy. Got the wipers here. IT, guys, IT. Oh, they're open up. This guy's not working and stuff. This is how you do. They were just gonna do the outside.
I don't want them to come inside.
Okay. You don't want them to come in. Now you good, don't worry about that. It's the Jeep, guys. It's the Jeep. It's the Jeep, guys. It's the going on right here. Exit. Get out here, man. Get out here. We are out here.
I forgot
What'd you forget?
that we need the money, the cash for it.
Oh,
Do
shit.
you have any extra?
I do.
So maybe we can take them. Do you have any
Tip who?
savings? Savings?
No. Oh, yeah, maybe we
I'm gonna close this. Yeah. You wanna close it?
I'm gonna close this. What the fuck was that?
He needs to wipe it off.
I'm gonna close this. Yeah, you want me to close this? This is it, right? Oh, amigo, hit the like button. Amigo, hit the like button. Give it the thumbs up, amigo. Amigo, give the thumbs
He's
up.
like, you're not even gonna tip me, asshole.
I'm gonna tip him. Give him $5. Yeah. Tip amigo.
I only have one day left, baby, and I
Right.
tipped them.
Amigo say you good. Amigo get paid about an hour for it.
Amigo has me locked in here right now. Yeah, that's different. If they cream inside and shit. Well, oh fuck.
Say that one more time. Say that.
Can I get the fuck out of here, please, people? What the fuck?
What the fuck, people? Amigo, get us out of here. This is why I when you don't tip. Fucking
You're like,
stuck.
sit here forever.
Yeah, so you're gonna sit here. That's not
Just
going
say
on.
I'm not a huge fan of how this works. Alright, I'm gonna put staples in it.
That's, yeah, another car wash.
And stop
Guys,
that.
stick with me until we get out of here. We don't know how long. We just here.
Honestly,
Amigo, don't hit amigo. Amigo, me voy a la belga. Yeah, guys, you guys just see another car wash video. Gonna get going.